Every year, Black History Month is a time for reflection. We celebrate the triumphs. We honor the sacrifices. It is a moment to recognize the resilience and strength of Black communities throughout history. We must also acknowledge a painful truth. Systemic barriers have prevented Black Americans from building generational wealth. These barriers have been deeply ingrained in our society for far too long. For generations, discriminatory policies blocked access to homeownership, quality education, and fair lending practices. Redlining, segregation, and unequal opportunities have left lasting scars on Black communities. This legacy of inequality continues to impact Black families today. The struggle for economic stability and prosperity is ongoing, but there is hope. There are ways to overcome these challenges and create a brighter future. We can rewrite the narrative by coming together, supporting one another, and making informed financial decisions. We can pave the way for a better tomorrow. We can build a future where our children inherit more than just our values. They inherit financial security, a future where they have the resources and opportunities to thrive. Life insurance is a powerful tool to bridge the wealth gap and create a lasting legacy for generations to come. It provides a safety net and a foundation for building generational wealth, ensuring that our loved ones are protected and empowered. The racial wealth gap is a stark reality that has persisted for generations. The median wealth of white families is significantly higher than that of Black families, creating a vast economic divide. This disparity is not due to a lack of hard work or determination. Black individuals and families work tirelessly, often juggling multiple jobs and responsibilities. It's the result of centuries of systemic racism and deeply entrenched discriminatory practices. From the brutal era of slavery to the oppressive Jim Crow laws and the discriminatory practice of redlining. These policies have systematically robbed Black families of opportunities to accumulate and pass down wealth. These injustices continue to cast a long shadow over Black communities, affecting their access to quality education, housing, and employment. The inability to pass down wealth from one generation to the next perpetuates a cycle of economic hardship, making it difficult for Black families to break free from the constraints of poverty and build a secure future. Generational wealth is more than just money. It's about opportunity. It's about providing our children and grandchildren with the resources they need to thrive. A good education, a down payment on a home, the freedom to pursue their dreams. Life insurance can be a cornerstone of generational wealth. It provides a financial safety net for your loved ones in the event of your passing. This money can help cover funeral expenses, pay off mortgage, replace lost income, pay off debts, and secure their financial future. Don't wait to secure your family's financial future. The time to act is now. Talk to us about how life insurance can help you build generational wealth. We can guide you through the process and help you understand the best options for your unique situation. There are various types of policies available, each with its own benefits and costs. From term life to permanent life, each policy offers different levels of coverage and investment grade opportunities. Investing in life insurance is an intense investment in your family's future. It ensures that your loved ones are taken care of, no matter what happens. What is your tax advantage portfolio? What is your recession-proof portfolio? Which of your assets are probate free? What is your income protection in case of chronic and critical illnesses? Do you have one? It's a way to protect them from financial hardship and provide them with opportunities that were denied to previous generations. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that your family will have the financial support they need. Help is on the way. Our email contact is smart@horizonldigmail.com. Let's break the cycle of inequality and create a legacy of prosperity for generations to come. Your actions today can pave the way for a brighter, more secure future for your children and grandchildren. If you like the video, please share it massively and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care and plan smart.